Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word technical. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The technical issues with the software caused it to crash repeatedly. Technical in this context refers to problems or difficulties related to the specific details, processes, or components of a software system. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.